Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A15 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. First of all, open your phone the other, then select the contact that you want to personalize, mark info, click on edit. Okay, so actually there is some picture, let me remove it and tap on save. However, let's go back and open it one more time, select info, edit and profile picture. And now you can either grab a photo right now by tapping on camera, you can choose something from your gallery, you can add AR emoji or select one from prepared here stickers, for example this one. And then click on save. That's it. As you can see, photo is added to this particular contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.